Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give a vitamin K injection. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, such as the vitamin K medication, a sterile syringe, and appropriate needles. Before handling any medical equipment, it is crucial to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Always double-check the medication, label to confirm the correct dosage, and ensure it is indeed vitamin K. Next, prepare the medication. Use an alcohol swab to clean the top of the vitamin K ampule. With a gauze pad protecting your fingers, carefully snap the ampule open, directing the break away from yourself. Attach a filter needle to your syringe and slowly draw up the exact amount of medication prescribed. Once the medication is in the syringe, remove the filter needle and replace it with a new, sterile needle suitable for intramuscular injection. Now, let's administer the injection. Choose a suitable site, commonly the vastus lateralis muscle in the outer thigh, especially for infants. Cleanse the chosen area with an alcohol swab, moving outwards from the center, and let it air dry completely. Gently stretch the skin taut around the site. Insert the needle quickly at a 90-degree angle into the muscle. Slowly push the plunger to inject the medication, then smoothly withdraw the needle. After the injection, apply gentle pressure to the site with a clean gauze pad. Avoid rubbing. It is critical to never recap a used needle. Immediately dispose of the syringe and needle in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks. Monitor the individual for any signs of adverse reactions, such as redness, swelling, or discomfort. Finally, accurately document the procedure, including the medication, dosage, and time of administration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.